Hello, gentlemen. Just a quick demo on how to use your log button. Yes, it's about time we find out what this log button does. So going to our calculator page, we'll put first of all 2 to the power something, which equals 64. In other words, we want to find the index. So use it in index form. So we go Control Log. That's the 10 to the power. And as you can see, we can change it to any of the bases. In this case, we're going to do to the base of 2. And we want to know what power to the base of 2 will give us 64. And so remember, log is just another word for index. And we've got 6. Let's just check that. So going to the 2 to the power 6. So let's remember 2 raised to the power 6, which is in the index form, is equal to 64. Of course, one option might be is what happens if we have to find the not the index, but in actual fact the base or the value. Uh, Clearly, we can use our solve button. So remember, menu 3 1. Bring in the log function or feature, control log. Let's find out what power or index to the base 10 or the value of 100. So 10 to the power something equal to 100. Well, we all know what that answer is, but let's get the calculator to find that index using the solve function. So remember, we just make the unknown the index part or the log part and press enter, and it should be 2. Similarly, we could use it to get, say, what base would be give us an index of 2 for the number 100. So of course we're saying it's 10 to the power, so something to the power. Let's have a base. Let's make that x. So we don't know what the base is, and of course this will find out for you. Something to the power 2 equals 100. Obviously must be 10. And finally, we could use it to find the value of. Let's menu solve again. Let's repeat that one. This time we're going to say something to the base 4, 4 to the power of 3, 4 to the power of 3 equals what? And as you can see, we can find that is 64. So both the base, the index, or the value can be solved by that. And don't forget, we can always use the index form. So for instance, 4 to the power 3, 4 to the power 3, and enter, and there it is. So there you go, logs on your calculator. And certainly you'll need the log function as we go through to our next exercise, where we actually find the need when we're looking for the x-intercept of an exponential. So there you have it.